How to change your lock screen clock format. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your lock screen's clock format. Let's just get started. First thing first, you want to go over to your settings. So go to the start menu and open up settings. Once you open it up, what you need to do next is find time and language on the left hand side. Tap on it and go to date and time. Click on the drop down. Then from there, you have an option to change the date and time format. So let's just go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see here, you can find different kind of formats. All you have to do is, if you want short time, you can just tap on the drop down here, and it's going to show you the first two are the 12-hour format, and the second two are the 24-hour format. So it's the same thing here. And if you want your seconds to be visible as well, just select any one of them. And I'll just go ahead and select 12-hour format for now. You can change the AM PM symbol as well, so you can customize it according to your choice. And once you have done that, you want to go back to date and time here and go back to time and language. Now from there, go to language and region, and you should find an option for administrative language settings. If you don't see it here, all you have to do is go to your date and time again. And then from there, if you want the time to show in notification center, you can just turn it on, but it's going to automatically change the format on your lock screen as well. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.